Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. I'm wearing coveralls and it's 85 degrees out. That can only mean one thing, and that means bad decisions. Well, if you looked at the thumbnail, you know why you're here. Let's go. All right, so I didn't have enough mechanical pain in my life. I've been wanting another project. God knows why. I have 3 right here, plus this. But hey, I got a deal. I don't know if it's a great deal yet. The deal could get better as time goes on or get worse. But I got a great deal. Okay, we'll call it a great deal. Got a great deal on a project car, and here it is. Let's take a look. All right, here we have the 85.5 944. This car was stolen and recovered by the owner. The person that owned the car actually got a tip where the car was and went and recovered it. She's a little rough. I don't know exactly how many miles are on it. The odometer has probably been broken for hundreds of years. The interior, the reason I was wearing coveralls is because I have no idea what's going on with the interior. It's pretty bad. But it's not a Chevrolet. It says 108,000. Jacked up the ignition switch, so I've got to replace that. And who knows what's going on with the wiring. There's a ton of these little wire doodads down here. And yeah, the door panel's folded like a taco. So I'll probably need some door panels. It's definitely going to need a bunch of interior stuff, but it's rust-free. Like the car is in decent enough shape. Doesn't look like the glass is delaminating, but somebody took the 944 spoiler off. It does look like some of the parts are here. Like, I'm gonna have to grab a stick. Hold on. Okay, so a little bit of archaeology going on back here. We've got a wiper or a visor, a side window seal. I don't know what this is. This is going to be one of those things I'm going to have to look at a part number and see what that is. Might not even be for the Porsche. A switch. There's a phone case. There's something that goes to something else. Somebody's homework. It looks like the pieces for the pieces that go on the sides of the wing are still here. It looks like one. Is there another one of those in here? There's a wiper, a hatch shock. Oh yeah, there's the other side to the... I don't know how this goes on. I don't see any holes in the hatch at all. But that's later Jeff's problem. All right, the next step is, since this clear coat is completely ruined, I don't have any thoughts of saving this. and maintaining this current finish. Like the front spoiler down here has got a bunch of paint missing. Like the paint on here is not great. It's usable, but not great. I'm just using some stuff I've had laying around the garage, some cleaners, and a little scouring pad, going roadkill style on this, just to get her cleaned up a little bit. Make it look somewhat presentable in the neighborhood. Clearly it's had a hard life the past couple of years. We'll just do that over the whole car and then spray it off and see what we're working with. All right, so all around at night, when it's wet, it looks pretty good. We'll take a better look at it tomorrow, but honestly, like, aside from a ding in the rocker there and there, and some rock chips, some missing emblems, a big ding right here, which can probably be done with PDR, and like the car is really straight and for what it is, pretty clean. Even the wheels cleaned up okay, although I'm not a big fan of 15-inch foam dials. They will hold the car up for a considerable amount of time until I do something different. So a little bit of duct tape on the front fender there, but overall, it's pretty clean, like all things considered. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight and dry because it is not ready to go in the garage. Looks like there might be a little damage right here to this rocker or the bumper cover. But all in all, this is a pretty clean, straight car. But I don't want to put a bunch of money into it until I figure out if it runs. And unfortunately, getting to that point, there's still a lot of cleaning to go and a lot of work, a lot of wiring and all that stuff to do yet. All right, so I'm just going to clean up this mess tonight, and we'll take a better look at everything else tomorrow when there's more daylight, because I'm running out of sun. Losing 4 minutes a day here in the Northwest. That's so sad. All right, let's pick it up tomorrow. All right, everybody. I am tired, but here we go. It looked like it rained a little bit last night, but overall, it cleaned up initially. It cleaned up pretty well. The next step is to deal with this. Oh my God, this is bad. So, yeah, let's get to cleaning. That didn't go like flip cup. Well, I guess this is a first for me. There's some kind of like, I don't know what those are. They look like sprouts. Like what you'd see on a sandwich growing in here. Weird, but okay.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, here is the final result. The back cleaned up really nice. Spare tire well, and the sides. Normally I probably wouldn't need to do this level of cleaning just to see if this thing's going to work or not, but I feel better about being in the car. And yes, most of the interior here is just marginal but usable. I don't know what looks like glue on the carpet there, but it's a usable interior for now. Like, huge improvement over where it was yesterday. The seats, again, not great, usable, but those are going to have to be replaced. Passenger seat isn't too bad, actually. That might be salvageable. But overall, I got $1.75 and a 944. All right, so there you have it. I've got a 944 to work on now. Yeah, there's still a lot of things that we need to do before trying to start this engine. And then once we try to start it, there's still a lot to do. But I definitely want to see if the car runs and will like move under its own power. I want to do all that before I spend a ton of money doing the front end engine service, which ton of work and will cost me a fair amount of money. So, but if that works, then the car's worth saving. So if you're new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get updates on this and the other projects in the shop. And until next time, get out there and work on something.